Hey everyone, check out the Storage Maniac Sweater Drying Rack, a 5-tier foldable drying solution with dimensions of 26 by 26 by 30.7 inches that maximizes space while keeping your delicates safe. Each tier offers 5.3 inches of height, and the rack folds flat for easy storage, measuring 26 by 5.9 by 30.7 inches when folded. Built with a heavy-duty all-iron metal frame, it supports up to 43 pounds, making it perfect for wet clothes. The high-density mesh design prevents scratching and staining while allowing airflow for faster drying of sweaters, pillows, and delicate garments. This rack features 4 smooth rolling wheels, 2 of which lock, so you can easily move and secure it indoors or outdoors. Assembly takes about 30 minutes with clear instructions and labeled pieces, and using an electric screwdriver can speed up the process. If you have any questions or issues, customer support is ready to help with professional solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.